To view your card number on the Nationwide app, start by logging into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and tap on the account associated with the card you want to view. This will open your account details. In the account details, find the Manage Card option or similar wording. This may vary depending on updates to the app interface. After selecting Manage Card, you should see options related to your card, including an option to view your card details. For security, the app may require additional verification such as a password, fingerprint, or facial recognition before showing the full card number. Once verified, you'll be able to see your card number along with its expiration date and CVV for secure use. Remember to keep your card details secure and log out of the app after you're finished.